Bravo Sierra Victor, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, full power. Off the brakes. Speed's alive. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. Knots, 60, up. The other runway down there.
The thing is, it flies, Mark.
It does.
That golf course, wow. Golf course is for sale?
Is it?
Yep. Same. Oh, this is Kingston Heath. Yeah, jeez.
Feet, over the nose, nobody ahead, nobody right, nobody left.
Irving Tower, Warrior Hotel, Oscar India, Coram, 1500, Lee CF Oscar, inbound.
Hotel Oscar India, Rabin Tower, join final, 35 left, report at 3 miles.
Joy final, 35 left, Hotel Oscar India.
Time is 2:07.
Final Kilo, you departing the area now?
We're going to go close to Royal Melbourne.
Yep, that's Royal Melbourne over there.
Right.
First.
Pretty close to my place.
Yeah. So we're on autopilot now.
Oh.
And I'm going to make a call to Cook when I'm 10 miles out. Tell them that we're passing by their airspace. I think we'll be okay, but if we get up to that cloud and there's a problem, I'm going to come back and land at Bacchus Marsh.
Land it? Did you? If you just go straight ahead,
Yeah.
is that where are you going the wrong way? Are you?
That's towards Ballarat.
I mean, there seems to be less clouds.
Yeah, we could, but it's going to be a longer trip. So that's the Melton Airport right below us there.
Yeah.
Right, 10 seconds.
Traffic in the Yarra Valley, Lilydale area, Whiskey Kilo Delta's 5 minutes to drop. Expect 3 canopies from flight levels overhead the field.
Over the city.
Yeah.
So here is about the closest we get to that controlled airspace boundary. I'm going to go onto heading mode and go a little bit right so that we don't clip these showers and low cloud over here.
The minimum, are you happy with the published missed approach, or would you prefer a visual overshoot to the west?
That there is called the Sunbury Water the edge of controlled airspace.
Okay, thank you.
It's pretty flat land out here, but there is a 2,000 foot step just here.
Oh yeah.
That little area there, so I'm coming down to 2,000 to remain clear of it.
Kilo Whiskey, need to be commencing the approach after one more hold, is that correct?
Hey, Sam, will be one more hold and then the approach.
Kilo Whiskey, India, roger.
Mark, are you on autopilot now or not?
Yep.
Oh, right, okay. Are we 1,500 feet, are we?
1,800.
That was sent a helicopter Faraday Kilo requesting status point Ormond parachutes, please.
Faraday Kilo, g'day, the aircraft is currently on the ground.
That's Faraday Kilo, cheers.
Hey, mate, we're going back.
Really? Really? Going to?
Back to Bacchus Marsh.
There, Mark, no good there.
I'll keep an eye out, but no, we're not going into cloud.
Zero Whiskey India is ready for the NDB Alpha approach. Raven.
Almost, you know, you've got more blue sky.
Yeah, mate, it's...
I'm not saying you should do it, I'm just saying there's less, isn't there?
miles. If we have to sit on the ground for an hour and call the weather again, that's what we'll do. Only 8 minutes to Bacchus Marsh. Sorry? Can't hear.
This is not a gap here.
It's not a gap, that's cloud on the ground.
Oh.
At the moment, if we were going to keep going, I'd try out west, but I don't know the ranges continue along there. We just run into another bank of cloud along the ranges. So there's nothing stopping me coming down now. I'll come off autopilot. Down to 2,000 feet.
Is the airport?
I can't see it yet. We're heading straight at it. Yep, there's the windsock down there. It's in that little circle. It, Back smash traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor joining crosswind runway 27, back smash. Okay, so we're 1,000 feet above.
Second smash traffic, Cessna 152 Hotel Charlie Golf is 10 miles to the northwest at 2,100. We'll be joining crosswind, midfield crosswind from runway 27 at time 29, back smash.
300 feet, 70 knots. Feet. 25. Back smash traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor backtracking runway 27 for parking, back smash.